Welcome to Sirtaintea, where we bring you real life and real solutions. Today, we tackle a critical issue affecting millions. Housing insecurity is a growing concern, especially for renters navigating complex rules and policies. Many families face uncertainty, wondering about their future and how to protect their homes. The threat of eviction looms large for countless individuals and families across the nation. This isn't just a statistic, it's a reality for millions. Families like this one are directly impacted. Over 2 million renters are currently facing unprecedented challenges in their housing situations. The uncertainty can be overwhelming, leaving many feeling anxious and without clear direction. Recent changes from HUD are reshaping the landscape of housing assistance and renter rights. As we move into 2024, new policies are taking effect, impacting countless households. Many are receiving notices that signal significant shifts in their housing agreements. Time is of the essence. Renters often have a limited window to understand and respond to these changes. A crucial rule has been revoked, leaving many vulnerable and uncertain about their protections. The implications of this change are far-reaching, impacting long-term housing stability. These policy shifts affect various housing programs, including Section 8, public housing, and PBRA. The impact is widespread, touching communities and families in crowded urban environments. More than 2 million households are directly affected by these new regulations and changes. Many are left in the dark, without proper notification or clear guidance on what to do next. But there is hope. We're here to provide you with actionable steps to navigate these challenges. First, empower yourself with information. Research is your most powerful tool. Next, reach out to your local housing authority. They can provide specific guidance. Understand your lease agreement thoroughly. Know your rights and responsibilities. For immediate assistance and resources, dial 211. It's a vital lifeline for many. Remember, you are not alone. Community support is essential in these times. Share your experiences and connect with others. Your voice matters. Together, we can navigate these changes and work towards real solutions for housing security. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more real-life solutions and updates. Join our community every week for new videos designed to empower and inform you. Stay informed, stay empowered. We're here to help you find your way forward. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Sirtaintea.